Hear that? Oh, what's up? What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I know y'all getting tired of me, but we just picked up a new build for our channel. It's a 2003 Monte Carlo SS, the MC. This is the third MC to hit this channel. We paid $425 for it. It was $693 out the door. It was a, it was a buy it now for $500. Like I said, wanted for $425. And when I got the title, got that bad news like the Pontiac Torrent y'all seen on this channel. It said it had a sticker on there that said it was junk. It was a pedal car. A pedal car is a car that somebody donated because it was a junk car. They gave up on it. But we about to go take a little look-a-loo, little walking around and see what's going on with this car. And see how can we bring her back to life. So here she is, in almost the same spot that the donation Monte Carlo was in when we recorded that video. Or the thumbnail. She has rust in the usual places. Right here. And a lot over here, but that's nothing for us. We'll get all that fixed. She does have bald tires, like it's been sitting for a long time. We aired them up because it was on 4 flats. They're going back flat again. Clear coat peel on the hood. Almost forgot what it was. A little whammage. Right here, fog light missing, front bumper is cracked, full of cobwebs. We rejuvenated the battery. She's gonna need another. She's probably gonna need both new headlights, but we got some headlights in the other Monte Carlo. So headlight, fog light, new fenders. All that cleaned up, don't know what to say. See, tires going back bald. And 2 new fenders, because you got your normal rot at the bottom of the fenders on both sides. Fenders for this car is like $200. Some more rot back here. A big hole right here. Like I said, but I ain't scared of these cars. We make things happen over here. Y'all know what we can do over here. If y'all watch my channel, if y'all support my channel, we make things happen. Make things happen. Another reason I don't like this car only came with 1 key, no fob. But you know, me, if y'all watch other videos, I like to order key fobs for all my cars and have them programmed. Because I don't like putting a key in the door. I'm just that lazy. So, and I program them myself. If it's self-programmable, that's why we need a battery running. We can get everything from Amazon. Don't be trying to see my address, even though my address is public. So we got a new fog light. Like we got valve cover gaskets for this car. So, been trying to see, got valve cover gaskets because it is leaking oil severely down in there. If y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see, but there's oil all down there. So I ordered the valve cover gaskets. I only had this car over here for a week. I'll be ordering spark plugs and wires for this car eventually when y'all start seeing it on the videos. But let's jump on in her. Let's see what's going on the inside. Door cards look good, dirty. The interior is dirty. A lot of dog hair. But that can all be cleaned up. Y'all know how we make these cars look. At least the dome light on, but yeah. Yeah, it is what it is. Oh, I got some stuff coming out the seat up here, some yellow stuff, some foam. So that's worn out. Okay. Okay, Java Station, Main Street, Davenport. Oh yeah, that's where I got this car from too. Davenport, Iowa, y'all. Y'all know I go down there sometimes. Haven't really been in this car. Except to program the fob. But pretty much the interior is immaculate. Ain't really nothing broken, everything works. In this car. Got some pins. Everything works. Unlike the other Monte Carlo SS, the donation one. This one even comes with the book. 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo. Valvoline oil sticker. Some paperwork in here. That's a good thing when you find a car that still got the book in it. Even got the bill of sale. 125-point inspection. When they bought, I guess when they bought the car, is it a date on it? Y'all see when the mileage. Store name, technician, year 2003 Monte Carlo, red with the VIN number. They bought it, had 67,000 miles on it. From this dealership in 2007. Lou Jack's North Park Auto Plaza. So it still got the paperwork from when they bought the car. Let's see if she'll start. She's a dingin'. She's running, the radio's playing. Cut that off. Say traction service traction system, change engine oil, low washer fluid, got the ABS, traction light on and brake light on. Okay, nothing major, the brakes still work. 116,000 miles on the dash, the radio work. Seems like cruise control lights up. Let's check the radios. Yep, that worked. So all the controls up here work. Steering wheel feels good, even though the tires are almost bald in the front, laying flat. I know this car ain't gonna have no AC, so I ain't gonna try it. I ain't gonna try the heat. No, we can try the heat. Okay, the heat work. We ain't gonna do no AC. We already know the AC ain't gonna work. Look like we need an ABS module for this car. So I'm about to look up ABS module and go from there with all that. Try to get those lights cleared up. But the main thing is ain't no engine light on this dash. Okay, it's hot. Y'all seen the truck? The trunk is clean. I get another look on the trunk. That works. Like I say, the headliner is clean. No cigarette burns or nothing. Ain't no ashtray in here neither. There's a lot of dog hair. But she's running. She's listed as no keys. Y'all see that right there? Y'all can look it up yourself. That's the code part number. Listed as no keys. But the car actually came with a key. And she does run. Headlights work. Doubt the fog lights work. It's missing one. Oil leak. She's gonna need a new serpentine belt. And body work and new tires. Still trying to source tires. But all the lights work. The back end is immaculate. Like, y'all didn't see, like I showed y'all the trunk, but the trunk is clean. This is what I like to see when I get these cars. It still got the spare tire in it with the jack and the tire iron. But she runs strong. Like, what can be the problem? Besides some maintenance, gonna need an oil change. It runs strong, y'all hear that? Everything, good oil pressure, battery life, needs some gas. It's not up to operating temperature yet. But brakes work like I said, look. Look at that, look it around. Can't go too far back. There's a car behind me. Just go forward. All right, reverse. Forward. So ain't nothing wrong with the transmission, unlike the one in the other Monte Carlo donation car that we got. That the transmission don't work. Well, like I said, we got a motor for that one. Looking for another car to pull the transmission out of. Like I said, it's immaculate in here besides all the dog hair. So y'all know we got to pull the seats out. Shit. I ain't gonna say shampooing, but pull the seats out and try to get all this dog hair out and stuff. I ain't gonna pull the whole interior out just to power wash it and make it new again. Or I might. Nah, I ain't gonna do all that. We're just gonna clean it. Get all the dog hair up, take the seats out, get all the dog hair out, and make it move. Make it move. Oh no, they got a picture in it, y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all know that little boy. Let them know we got their car, and we're gonna be making moves on this car. Let us know what happened to this car. Why it end up a junk car? Because ain't nothing wrong with it besides the tires are going flat. It's been sitting for a long time. Because the important one to work, y'all know it because it was down. See, y'all see mileage. They didn't even know the mileage was because the car had no key. But everything in this car works. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Let's walk around this car one more time because I can't believe it. Besides some rust, needed some tires. And look, y'all know it's set for a long time. Look at all that grime and dirt and spider webs. And on some paint. And we're gonna be doing some paint on this car, especially in these quarter panels. And I already got another front bumper for it, as I do the donation Monte Carlo. So I got to paint that. Love the rims. But all this rust, we got to fix. Really not fix, it's like a cover up. Sand it all down, get it all down to bare metal, and do some rust retard and fill it in with some body filler. And change both the fenders and redo the hood. But y'all see that? Look at that. They severely dry rotted. They got good meat on them, but they severely dry rotted. I'm gonna need some new windshield wipers, but she runs. She's not a knocking. The oil is black, so we'll change that oil. There's some oil additives in it. After we locate an ABS module, there's something going on with that module. But I said, she run. This car better than the other MC got. Then the other MC that I worked on, that's my daughter's fiance's, he started having more car problems. I told him he can always donate it to Easy's Rebuilds. But I talked enough. Y'all seen our new build. I need to finish the other builds. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here. I need to stop buying cars. I'm gonna go bankrupt buying all these cars. All these cars just sit around. I know my neighbors gotta be tired of me. But some of my neighbors come over here for me to work on their cars. It's the simple stuff, nothing major. For the people out there like, oh, somebody gonna know it's nothing major. I'm not doing no major work on people's cars, changing blend door actuators on the Chevy Impalas, changing on the GMC Sierra, changing the door handle on the inside because it broke. Stuff like that, just the simple stuff. I'm not getting into nothing really major like I did in my neighbor's Impala next door, where we had to change the differential for the transmission, and it still runs to this day. I know what the hell I'm doing 90% of the time. But like I said, this car is all original. Still got the original distributor caps or coil pack caps, whatever one, I don't know what those called. But still got the original those, but still got to change these spark plugs and the wires and the valve covers and flush. Since take deck's cool, we're gonna flush the cooling system out. Right now it's already flush in there. Already filtered up with water and put flush in there because it was kind of rusty. I didn't think the car was gonna run. Tell y'all. But she run. And she moves. And we think about keeping this one because these MCs are hard to find. Where they're in good condition, the interior is in excellent condition. It's just the rest of the car. But at least it ain't totally rotted out back here. It's like usually y'all see it all rotted out through here, but we're gonna stop that before it get that far. You gotta get this panel put back on right. I'm not trying to break these clips, but that's gonna be it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. Let us know about these Monte Carlo SS's. What can be the issues with a lot of them that I already know I see from working on all three of the ones I worked on, the main issues that these SS's have, and how do you fix them? Let me know so I can fix these, basically with the ABS module. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and share these videos with your friends, family, co-workers. Let them know his new sheriff in town, and his name is Easy E. And we also take Cash App donations, donations of cars, and we have merch at teespring.com. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. It's all links in the description area below. Go check it out. Got other YouTubers down there. And with all that, don't forget to hit the my bad. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Peace.